Glasses may be a thing of the past with Elite Health's liquid readers. These FDA-approved eye drops are for people who suffer from blurred up-close vision and eliminate the need for readers. Our drops work by relaxing the muscles in the eye that control the shape of the lens, allowing them to better focus on close-up objects. These drops may be used once daily or only occasionally as needed for evening dinners or in times of reading when readers are inconvenient. One vial will last up to 2 months. So instead of digging around in your desk drawer or carrying readers out to dinner, try these and you'll be surprised. It only takes a single drop in each eye to have better vision for the next 6 to 10 hours. Click Add to Cart now to get started. Our expert providers will review your medical records and process your request. Medication typically arrives at your door within 72 hours of processing. If you're not yet a patient, click on Book Appointment now to get started. Our elite prices include medication, supplies, and shipping. Patients never pay for labs or telehealth visits.